Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. Not long after the war ended, the Army declared the M1 Garand obsolete. And so they replaced it with this, the M14 rifle. Some call it an upgrade. Others say it was America's biggest mistake. The Garand carried us through Normandy, Iwo Jima, and Korea. The M14 promised more firepower to compete with the AK-47 and the Soviet SKS, but in combat, promises don't win wars. Did America trade greatness for mediocrity? Let's find out. Battle proven and beloved by soldiers and veterans. Reliable, but military planners wanted more. A rifle that could shoot full auto, fire a new cartridge, and replace multiple weapons at once. Enter the M14. On paper, the M14 had superior firepower. In practice, the recoil made full auto nearly useless other than for cover fire. Most troops fired it just like the Garand and semi-automatic. The M14 accepted magazines, 20 rounds and 10 rounds, which really outdid the M1 Garand, which could only fit 8 rounds in the M-block clip, or less depending on how you loaded the rifle. And at the time, with the SKS and then later on the AK-47 coming into the picture, this seemed like a good idea. The Garand was labeled obsolete in Korea. In small cases in Vietnam, soldiers trusted it. Its reliability and accuracy rivaled anything the M14 could offer. Side by side, the Garand and the M14 tell their own story. One perfected the semi-automatic battle rifle, the other tried too much. The M14 was America's battle rifle for about 5 years. It entered service in 1959. By Vietnam, it was already being replaced by the M16, later the M4. The Garand, meanwhile, had outlasted 2 decades of combat. In hindsight, the Garand's legacy towers over the M14. The M14 saw limited service, and the Garand became legendary. Even today, its sound, feel, and its history echo through American memory. The truth? The M14 wasn't an upgrade, it was a step sideways. The Garand remains America's true battle rifle. Changed my mind. Free to drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And let me know what you think I should cover next in my next video. For those who keep records, a ranged logbook is essential. Whether you're shooting your M1 Garand, your M14, a handgun, or a muzzleloader, I designed one myself, modeled after the old service rifle logs. It's available now on Amazon. The link is down below. If you like what you see here, feel free to drop me a tip down in the Buy Me a Coffee link below.